Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to review one of my favorite liquid lipstick which is from the brand Sephora. Now before starting with this video, can we all take a moment to appreciate my makeup because I took an hour or probably more to do it, and you can show your love or your appreciation by liking this video. And in case if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon in order to be notified whenever I upload a video. Now coming towards this video, in this video I'm going to review the product first and then followed by the swatches of my top 5 colors. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Now before talking about the product itself and the formula, let's just talk about the packaging. As you guys can see, it has a very simple packaging, a plastic tube cap which mentions the brand, that is Sephora, and since it's clear so you can see the color as well. The design is very simple and sleek, so you can put it into your jeans pocket or your bag. Even if you're carrying the smallest bag, you can just carry this. Also, what I like about this product is that it has a doe-foot applicator, so and it bends very easily. That means you don't need a separate lip liner and you can apply this anywhere without a lip liner. So that's the best thing, and the color is mentioned down below. And the price of this one is 1250 rupees for 5 ml. That's like wow. Now let's just talk about the product itself, the formula and so on. Now talking about the formula, it has a very lightweight formula which is very comfortable on your lips and gives you a velvet matte finish, which means that your lips look hydrated, not dead. And talking about the opacity of this product, it is quite opaque. That means one swipe and it's done. Now one more thing I would like to tell you about this product is that it is non-transferable, and I'll just show you the proof. As you guys can see, nothing is transferred. That means you can eat, drink and smooch your boyfriend or your husband without worrying about it. Now talking about the scent, it has a very mild fragrance of vanilla, which I don't mind. I just love it. Now talking about the pros of this product, it is very sleek design, it is non-transferable, long wear, very comfortable on lips. That means basically you have to go ahead and buy at least one shade in order to try. Now we will just start with the swatches of my top 5 colors among this. Video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any particular shade you would like to suggest me, then please let me know in the comment section below. And in case you people are not following me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, links are there in the description box. And the giveaway winner will be announced soon. In case you don't know what exactly I'm talking about, then click on the card, you will get to know about it. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.